Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to upload a video on YouTube. As we all know, YouTube is an application where we can watch some funny videos and many other things. Now go through your phone to find the application YouTube, and once you've found it, press on it. Next you are going to press on the plus sign, then on upload video. You should be directed to your gallery, so choose any video you want to upload. You are now going to put some descriptions to the video YP you want to upload, such as its title, and even if you want it go be private or public. If you finish, just press on the next button in the upper right corner. Choose if your video is made for kids or not, and then press on the upload button to finish. Your video should now be uploaded to YouTube. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.